Welcome in, welcome in. Come on in, how's everybody doing today? We are back at Disneyland. And if you couldn't tell, Stormtrooper means May the 4th. So we're visiting Disneyland for May the 4th. We are at the Homewood Suites by Hilton. We're here to give you guys a room tour and show off everything this hotel has to offer. We'll be covering all the amenities for this hotel, the room tour, and the distance to the park. So we got a double queen deluxe suite, and it offers a kitchen, bathroom, and a very spacious room. So let's get on into it. All right, don't show the kitchen yet. Let's look at this new Picasso painting right here. It has a nice wave to it. No, I'm kidding, but it has a cool little artwork. As we get into the kitchen, we have a G&E microwave. Nice, nice. A Kenyan stovetop. Very nice, very nice. And we have a bunch of cabinets, and guess what? Just like our last hotel, they are filled with their own kitchenette dining or whatever. What is it called?
Utensils. Silverware.
That's not silverware.
Dishware.
Dishware. Cups. Now the silverware are somewhere in here. Let's see. Where would silverware be? Here we go. Nice silverware. Big spoons, big knives, kind of scary. Keep those in there. A nice deep sink. You could probably do your dishes here, but it also comes with a dishwasher. Pretty big too. A nice little Cuisinart coffee maker. Very good with all your amenities here. Dish soap as well if you wanted to do your dishes. And a nice Frigidaire refrigerator. Freezer, and also the regular refrigerator. It does come with a nice leather chest, ice chest to be exact. A toaster. So it also has a Proctor Silex toaster. I don't know if you ever heard of that brand, but very nice, very nice. Also down low, we have all the pots and pans that you need. So very good. You don't need to go to the store. You have everything that you need right here. So this is actually a really nice office area. It is in the open. We have our second Picasso. I don't know if this is a Picasso or Van Gogh, but it looks very similar to one of the paintings in our last hotel. So hopefully they didn't recycle that. A nice green Leatherman chair. You know, I think this might be, what's that one fancy brand? Oh yeah, Herman Miller, let me check. Oh yeah, that's got some good swivel in it. And then last but not least, you have your phone. Nice phone. Good. All right, so one thing that you might not notice when staying at a hotel, or you might have noticed, is that some of them have a lack of charging areas. And if you're coming to the park, you might have your camera, you might have iPads, laptops if you're working from home, but also phones just in general, right? So you need to get that juice. The one good thing about this hotel, or multiple good things, is that it has plenty of plugs. I think we counted 16 plugs in this one room. It's actually really crazy. So that means you can get your stuff charged and back to the park as soon as possible. And you can't forget about a full-size mirror. If you're going to the park and you're trying to look good on your way out the door, it's always great to be able to, catch yourself, pat yourself down, make sure you're looking fly. So probably one of the more well-known brands that we've had is a Honeywell system. You can control your temperature up and down. I'm not going to talk too much into it, but if you watch our other hotel reviews, there has been hotels that we stayed at where you can't control it. And I'm going to say that every time. So this is definitely a plus. And they even have these nice push-up buttons that allow you to control the light and the fan as well. So if you look over here, without showing too much, don't show too much, right? You can control your light, and then you can also turn on your fan. So that's a very nice touch, especially if you may not want the AC full blast. All right, and we have a pull out queen size bed, couch, which is good if you're bringing an extra person or some kids. They can sleep on the couch as well. A nice tabletop, right? If you want to get some food, maybe you don't have a reservation for the park, you want to eat here. We have a couple tables along with the desk that I just showed a minute ago. Moving on over to here, this is where your air comes from. But you have a nice window And out there, you can clearly see, this is the street you'll be taking. This is Catella. You'll be taking this to the park. So I feel like they got this from TJ Maxx. It looks like, I think this is LA, but I feel like I could buy that at TJ Maxx. But no, all jokes aside, we have a table within the table. Like I said, if you wanted to use a smaller table or a bigger table, it's always good to have as many tables as possible. I just said tables like 3 times because you need them. You need all the tables you can get. But they know how to add a little touch. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with your name, Homewood Suites, Ronnie J, and then you got a nice view of LA in the background. How nice is that? This is like a 70-inch TV. I think this might be the biggest TV that we've had since staying at our hotels by Disneyland. But the cool thing about this is the beds are over here. You can easily tilt it whichever way. You can pull it out, tilt it towards the couch. Definitely very functional. When I was looking at this picture, I was like, this is a nice California coast until I seen some AI image. What is this? It's like the whole mountains like coming across the screen. But all in all, it's always good to have pictures. But that is pretty funny. Now, one of the most important things that people look for when booking a hotel is the bed. How good is the bed? Now, we did get 2 queens, as mentioned before. And these are pretty soft. They're standard, nothing too fancy, white sheets. All right, let's get back over here. Nice little tabletop, probably like 6 phones here. Don't know where those came from. All right, now I will make an exception this time. We are here for 3 days and it is Star Wars. So my wife decided to bring all these ears. This isn't Star Wars. I don't know why she's bringing this. Before we get into the bathroom, I just had to talk about this. I think we can control the whole power to this whole floor. So I might just turn off these. No, I'm just kidding. But I thought that was pretty funny to see this in the room. For somebody to have access to that, I think it's kind of funny. Getting into the entrance to the bathroom, it's a nice size. You have a 1 sink. You have a Disney key. I don't know where that came from. We have Gardens by Crabtree in Everett. So that sounds very fancy.
It is.
A nice mirror. So this can light up the whole entry to the bathroom. You have not drawers because that didn't open, but you have nice towels, right? Good face towels. It's always good when you have enough face towels. Let's get into here. Oh my goodness. So my wife decided to bring this bag. Brand new. I didn't even know she bought this. All right. Anyways, what do we got in here? A Hamilton Beach. We had this at our last one. That's so cool. I think that's Target though. We get a nice ironing board. Pink luggage does not come with the hotel. And an extra sleeper and a safe. I didn't even know we got that safe. That's pretty cool. So it's a little dark in here. I think it might be missing 1 light in here. However, the bathroom is pretty spacious. You get your standard stall. 1 button here. That's a joke to one of our other videos that I said. Good towels. I feel like we could use a couple more big towels, especially for being here 3 days. Now they did say we can make a phone call down to the front if we want to schedule a room cleaning. We definitely could as well. I don't know how many hotels give you Angel Soft. I'm just saying, you don't want to be using that paper at some of the other hotels, if you know what I mean. Nice size shower. You just walk right in the same brand, Crabtree and Evelyn. Did I say Everett earlier?
Probably.
Evelyn. You get your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This room is actually very spacious. Now, it is technically a deluxe suite. You don't get a room that's separated from your bedroom. However, it's very spacious. So if you can see, I can clearly walk. Very good, a lot of space. You can do cartwheels, you can do all the activities over here. To take a seat to talk about a few of the amenities that they offer here at the Hilton Homewood Suites. Parking is $40 a day, so it's not included in the regular fee. And that's kind of standard with most hotels on, near Disneyland. They do let you park before you even stay, so it's not gonna be included in the extra day. We did stay at another hotel where they made you pay to park a little early. However, this one, it's included for the same day or your same rate that you would pay. They do serve hot breakfast between 6:30 to 9:30 a.m. I'm not gonna act like I'm not cheating. I got a cheat code right here. So, we were able to try it and it was actually really good. They had a lot of options and actually good things. Like they had potatoes, They had, eggs, they had sausage, all your other stuff, cereal, pancakes, waffles as well. What was also really interesting was that they had chicken enchiladas. I've never seen that at a hotel for breakfast, but honestly, I tried it. It was pretty good. And the other cool thing is we didn't even check in yet, and we came to see if we could park for our hotel. And also they let us have breakfast. So I think that's a good thing. So it looks like they have an evening social every Wednesday from 5 to 6:30. They do offer a fitness and a laundry, which is also a plus. The fitness room did have like 4 treadmills, a couple bikes, maybe a Stairmaster. I think all the dumbbells that you need, and then a couple like resistance area and some weight balls. And we'll also show some B-roll here or some, just a highlight of what that looks like. There is a pool and a recreational area. Pool and a recreational area we'll show separate.
We're here at the pool. It is open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So those are good hours. We have a 3.5 foot to about 5.5 feet pool. It's big, it's long, there's the stairs. It looks very enticing. I want to jump in. They also have a hot tub over there as well. And what's actually really cool is they have the little kiddie pool. So it's about 1.5 feet, and then they can kind of just like wade in there and just put their little feet, have their little floaties on. So that's cute. So have a couple cabanas as well. What's really cool is you can actually grill out here. They provide the barbecue grill. You would have to provide your own meat, but like that's an awesome feature if you're here with a big group and you guys want to kind of like hang out together and like grill it up. They provide also all the essentials that you need. You just have to check in with the front desk. It's very spacious. There's plenty of seating, this wonderful fire pit. You can come here at night. I don't think you can do s'mores out here, but it looks fun. I love the landscaping. They take really good care of it. They provide you with all the towels, and all you have to do is just grab and go, and you can even dump them over here. They also have a game room, which is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. You will need to provide your own coins. For the kiddos, this is gonna be so fun. We have the original pinball machine, we have some safari games, we have some crane games. How fun is that? Like all the amenities you could think of to keep your kids entertained as well. The hot tub, you want to relax your body after a long day at Disney. And we got the jets rolling right now, and that's a lot of space. Most hot tubs are a little smaller. What's also really cool, they have this little rec area. Also, FYI, you can bring your dog here. There is a doggy potting station. Pretty much they'll provide you with the basketball equipment as well. You just check in with the front desk. So many activities. Not only that, they have a little mini putt-putt. How cool is this? Some of the lower floors actually have a walkout to your balcony. Not all of them have it, but I'm sure if you really want that feature, you could book that room. So far, A++. We are loving this little outdoor area.
This hotel is fairly close to Disneyland Park. Honestly, it's not the closest hotel that we've stayed at, but it's not the furthest. The really good thing about this location is it's right next to the Toy Story parking lot. So if you wanted to, you can actually go in there, take the shuttle to the park, and obviously it can drop you off right in the front. It also can take you back, obviously, from the park to here. Now, the one thing I will advise is that if you are willing and able, you might get to the park faster by walking on your own, besides taking the shuttle. Or if you just feel like you just can't make it, or you just want to chill, I guess, right? You could take the shuttle. We did time it. You don't know what the crowd is going to be looking like whenever you get to the shuttle. There might be a large crowd, there might be a small crowd. So you might end up standing there. And if you're trying to get to the park quick, I don't know if it's the quickest way, but it's probably would take some stress off of you, I guess, if that's what you're looking for. Maybe if you have some kids, you got strollers. It's literally right next to us, and we can show you guys how far it is from our hotel, and we can also show you how far it is to the park. We did get on the shuttle just for the experience. We will show you guys when we get there and how far the walk is to the hotel. It is currently 21 minutes waiting for this bus, so they weren't coming efficiently in my eyes. I feel like they could have been faster. So if you're not in a rush, obviously, and you've been tired, you can take the bus home. But if you are in a rush to get back to your hotel, then this is probably not the fastest way. So that was about a 6-minute ride to the drop-off area. Now we have to walk towards our hotel. So we will give you an update right now. It is 29:15. That's where we got dropped off. Our hotel is right here, so you can see that in the distance. Now we have to cross this whole parking lot. The hack is when you come back, if you cut through diagonal, it kind of cuts off your time a little bit because you normally would have to walk straight that way and then make a 90-degree right to come down. We're getting closer now. If you do come here, all you got to do is make it this close, right by the ticket booth, and literally right here is where the exit is to go to the hotel. So then you have to make a left and then get to our hotel. So we're getting closer to the exit. 29:15 was when we got off. It's 34:38, so that's roughly about 5 to 6 minutes to take us to walk through the parking lot. Now, we did walk a little bit swiftly, so you could probably say, 7 to 8 minutes if you're walking average pace. Or if you're walking faster, it could be under 5. Make a left, and our hotel is coming up soon. We just got to our hotel, Homewood Suites by Hilton. Here's the entrance. If you can see, we're at 36 minutes and about 20 seconds. So that was about a 2-minute walk, a minute and a half from the exit to the hotel. All in all, it was 38 minutes. All right, so as I'm chillaxing here, I just was pondering about this hotel. The best thing, to be honest, is that this room is actually really clean. It's very nice. It's updated, which I think is very good. A lot of hotels near Disneyland aren't probably as renovated or new as this one, but it's really nice. As mentioned, we're here for Star Wars Day, which is May 4th. We are here May 3rd, May 4th, and May 5th to get the elusive pin as well. However, we definitely want to let you guys know. Stay tuned. We'll be dropping a Star Wars vlog. It's going to be good. I promise you. We're going to show you a ton of characters. We're going to show you all of the Star Wars things you can do within the park. And hopefully there might be some special events or special merch we might find that comes out tomorrow. So stay tuned. So please like, subscribe, and comment and let us know. Would you stay at this hotel, or what other hotel would you want to see us review near Disneyland?